Sweetie, sweetie, sweetie. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Abby, and oh my god, today I'm reviewing the Sweetie x Morphe collaboration. I had to get my hands on this palette because it is so beautiful. First off, let's just say I'm a fan of Morphe because it is very affordable, and this collab, a lot of people were saying on YouTube, on Instagram, that they don't know why Morphe collab with Sweetie because Sweetie is not a beauty influencer. We're not here about that. We're not even talking about that. We're talking about the product itself, which is freaking adorable. Which, by the way, if you don't know who Sweetie is, you can look her up on Instagram. That's SAWEETIE, Sweetie. So let's get into this right quick. The Sweetie versus Morphe collab. It's a festival theme collaboration. So out of the collection, I got the palette and the glosses. So the palette is called 24/8 Artist Pass Artistry Palette. Oh, it's so long, but this palette is gorgeous on the outside. You open it. Look at this. Just get into these colors right quick. So I'm gonna tell you guys real quick, if you've heard about this palette or if you've watched different videos on YouTube about this, everybody's craving about this this right here. It's kind of, well, it's definitely a pressed glitter. It's called Spotlight Stealer because, as the name said, it's definitely a spotlight stealer. It has thousands of stars in it, but it's really hard to get out. But I do know that if you do get the brush when you're getting this, it does have a silicone applicator that you can use for the shimmer shades. But I didn't get the brushes because I didn't feel like I needed the brushes, and my girl kind of getting stingy with all this going on to know what you want to buy, basically. So for this palette honestly is for everyone. If you like your bright colors, you have your bright colors, you have your shimmer glitter, you have your neutral colors up here, you got a nude brown going on. So I will not swatch it because I hate swatching palettes if I'm not going to use the colors. I just hate seeing, all those like fingerprints and stuff in there if I've never used them before. So I will not swatch it. However, I will tell you these colors are very pigmented. You don't necessarily need a primer to use these colors, but the primer or whatever base you're going to use on your lid will just help the color pop a little bit more. So what I'm wearing on my eyes right now is the Green Room, which is this right here, and Max Value, which is this one. So Green Room, Max Value, and I also use Palm Tree, which is this pressed glitter green right here, and also Glitter Rally, which is this pink, just to give each shade some extra sauce, extra glitter actually. But so far this is amazing. I never really had any issues when I was using the green. It was kind of chalky, so it had like a lot of leave out in the palette, not on my face as much, but definitely in the palette. But that's something we're gonna overlook because besides that, the palette is a bomb, you guys. So I do recommend it if you guys want to. And I don't remember how much this palette costs, but it's super affordable. So we'll put the price up on the screen. And for the glosses, Icy Lips by Sweetie. This is what the packaging it comes in, but I already dismantled the whole box, so I'm going to show you guys the lip glosses real quick. So they're mini version of lip gloss. These kind of remind me of when I was in high school, kind of, or even before that. I used to just buy these little lip glosses to carry around. So besides all of that, let's get into this eyeshadow real quick. Yes, now that we've done talking about this awesome palette, let's get into how I create this wonderful look right here. So I am back and I've already done this eye. I wanted to do something different from what everybody was doing on YouTube. Everybody was going for the purple colors. I wanted to do a little bit something different that will still give you that festival vibe. So let's get into the other palette. done with the eyes. Let's get into the face, and I'm using mostly Morphe, so let's get into it. final part of this look. So I'm using Icy Lips by Sweetie. And we're gonna try and get it out of the box. The packaging is pretty, by the way. Okay. So these are the 3 mini lip glosses. 3 mini Icy Lips. So I'm gonna see if we can swatch them. Let's bring this camera down a bit. So those are the swatches on my arm. Let's see if we can bring this up. So these are the swatches. So we have Boss Tycoon, which is this glossy one right here. So it's kind of look orangey, but when you put it on, it has like, it's kind of like a clear gloss with like gold glitter in it. So that's Boss Tycoon. I think we'll be using that today. And then we have 8-inch. So 8-inch is this middle purple one right here. This middle purple one right here. I might use that, I'm not sure. And then the last one is Money Mommy, and that is this pink shade right here. I think I'm gonna use Money Mommy just because I'm not wearing purple. I have pink and it's close to what I have going on in my face. So we're gonna apply that on the lips. It's actually going on smoother than I thought it would. I thought it would be like one of those cakey lip gloss, but it's not. Well, it's got up a lot right there. So now that we're finished with this look, I am going to fix this hair, come back. So I am back. I'm not sure if I'm giving you guys the festival vibe yet, but I'm definitely feeling this look. When I started doing it, I was like, it looks a bit much, but at the end of the day, this is a festival or carnival festival. It's a festival theme palette, and I felt like I did the job. Like it's over the top, and it's not something I'm used to doing, but I am pretty satisfied with the results. So this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. And if you want to see more videos like this, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share my video if you wish. Also, click the notification bell that's next to the subscribe button to be the first to get notified whenever I post a video. So yeah, this is Sweetie X Morphe collab. I personally love it. If you're gonna purchase it, please do. The palette is beautiful, it's amazing. I had no issues creating this look. So I'll see you in my next video.